Anyways, I just discovered the brand of the ceiling fan in my grandmother's kitchen. This whole time I haven't realized it, but the brand is actually on the brass sideband. It's just very faint. And now I feel dumb because this fan has been around before I was born, and these whole years I've had around this fan, I've never realized that. Or maybe I have, but I just forgot. Anyways, there's this other fan here, but it's broken, but it'll have it sorted out sometime soon. Anyways, I just passed by this here, and then this fan was running, and then I just looked at it, and then just saw on the sideband what looked like a brand. And now we're gonna check out what it actually is. I can't read it, but you guys might be able to. Didn't see any autofocus there, so I'm gonna try it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on something far, just so that the camera's fooled into focusing again when I'm close to it. Hopefully that is seen. Anyways, I have it.